welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to another Golden Amon situation over here. So this video is going to be a little different because I'm going to be talking about my little teeny weeny afro, like very teeny weeny, But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my teeny weeny afro, for abbreviation TWA. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. This is gonna be a super quick video. This is something that I usually do after I'm done washing my hair or deep conditioning. Just super easy, super simple, and it only consists of 3 products. Alrighty, so the first thing that I do, of course, you gotta have your H2O. If you don't have your H2O, your hair ain't growing. I know it ain't growing. That's why your hair ain't growing. Use your H2O. Water, just a little spray bottle. Ooh, the water is cold. It's cold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair. I did just take a shower, but at the same time, I was moisturizing my body. So my hair did dry a little bit. Oops, I'm getting my poster wet, but whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get into that. Okay. So, and then I mainly sometimes focus on my little hair on the sides, just so those can get a lot of moisture. Really helps out. Boop, boop, boop. And I just massage the water in just to make sure my hair is damp. Dripping down. Ain't no thing but the chicken wing. And then first thing I like to use is my Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner. It's coconut shea. It's refresh and renew. It's paraben free and sulfate free. Now, this was I want to say this is probably my second favorite ever leave-in conditioner, because originally my first one is the As I Am, but that boy at Walmart is $12, and I didn't want to spend $12, so I spent $7. And this one is really good, like this one. And I say that because this one's super creamy, super freaking creamy. But this one is very creamy as well, but it's not as creamy, if you know what I mean. I can tell the difference between these one, but they're so similar in ingredients. I just love it. But this one's just a few dollars less than the As I Am. So I just take not that much, because obviously I don't have that much hair, so I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna just go ahead and I just pat it over my head first, just to make sure the product is everywhere. I make sure it's on the little baby hairs, and then I just go in and I moisturize. Alright, step 2. I go in with my homemade DIY hair oil. I have probably 5 oils in here. I have coconut oil, olive oil, black Jamaican castor oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil. Did I say coconut oil? And regular castor oil. So actually I have 7. And I love it. The first time I did my big chop, I used these same oils and my hair just grew out. So I just put maybe a quarter size or a 50-cent size. No? You guys didn't like it? Alright, but yeah, I just put enough in to just saturate, and then sometimes I'll take a little bit more and put it on my edges, just because my edges are super they're the first ones to get dry. I think is weird. My edges are the first ones to get dry. So I just make sure I moisturize my little baby hairs so those can be nice and moisturized and they can grow back fast. And I just go ahead and massage that in just all over my scalp. And last but not least, I use my Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream. Now, a little of this goes a very, very long way. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. It has hair in it, but don't judge me. I've had this for almost 3.5 months. Yes, almost 3.5 freaking months. And seriously, I'm technically still at the top. Like, it's crazy. Like, I like this stuff. I legit just put 2 fingers in just like that, and I just rub it in, and I just pat it all over my head. And this is basically it for my routine of just making sure my hair just is moisturized, especially because I live in a very cold area right now. But crazy enough, it's January and there hasn't been snow on the ground in almost 2 weeks, and it's 50 degrees outside right now. So okay, you know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. Yeah, make sure you comment, like, and most definitely subscribe just to, you know, see more of me and my videos and my tips and tricks and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching my video. Bye, you guys.